Good morning. Welcome to what will be part two of Heartland Homestead's trip back from Utah to Alabama. So, Colin's still asleep, and we have some miles we got to cover today, so I'm trying to do some diagnosing on the truck before he gets up. The way it's feeling is there is a whole bank on the pasture side of spark plugs that aren't firing. So I don't know if the coils aren't getting power or they don't have a good ground. But I'm going to go in and check all the ground connections, make sure everything's hunky-dory, and just try to get this thing running a little bit better. As it is, I think we're running on about 5 cylinders at most, maybe 4. We might have that whole bank actually down, which would be a miss. Anyway, I'm going to get you set up, and you can watch me struggle through all this. All right, so let's dig into it. Well, that looks odd. There should be a bunch of ground going right there, and I don't see it. There. All right. So what I think's going on, they were in this engine before. Had it out, did the whole 9 yards on it. I think they either didn't put some grounds back right, or they have them loose somewhere. They're not where they're supposed to be. There's a bunch of wiring loom just draped, zip tied, where it's not supposed to be. So I need to dig into this, figure out, can I get to that back harness, and look through all this to figure out if this will be good to go, or if we're going to have a long road ahead of us. Anyway, sorry about the audio. Not going to put a mic on just yet. Just going to keep working through it. Yeah, I'm using my jack stands as a step. That might be the problem. This is going to be gross. So I guess what we're going to do. There. Let's go over here and see if I can make myself a lead. All right, that's going well. Time to bring up schematic because I don't know what I'm doing. Gotta read which wire is which.
Wish I had some automobile knowledge like that. I'd help you.
It's all right. I think I know what it is. I just got to figure it out. Which wire it is.
Oh, you're in the electrical stuff. I can't help you there no way. Yeah. Check the battery terminals. Check the ground on.
It's a good place to start. That one is not. Gotta move my box. We didn't do much. Are you playing next though? So here's the deal. I didn't do anything. I went and checked the seating of a bunch of wires, cleaned up a few of those, checked all the fuses, reseated a few of those, cleaned out some corrosion there. Now it seems like we're hitting on all of them, unless it's something that when we get hot, it doesn't want to play. I don't know. So I think we're just gonna hit it, starts acting up again. We'll see what happens. I'm probably gonna get Colin up now and see what we can do, try to clean up and get over to Moab today. I'm optimistically hopeful now, but that just means that this has a lot of finicky and fiddly wires that are gonna be causing me problems the rest of the trip because I can't pinpoint anything and I don't really wanna get in there and take everything apart because all these wires are brittler than my back is. And I don't think that'd be a good time. So first stop, when we can find it, is a parts store. Gonna get some extra wire, some extra connectors, and I don't know, just keep rocking and rolling. Anyway, Heartland Homestead out.
Moo cows go moo! Yeah, I know.
So we got updates. We have spent the better part of 3 hours farting around with wires, plugs, and leak down and compression tests. Here's what it is. All the cylinders are sitting right about 145. Good enough for me. We did find one. I don't know if we broke it or if it was already broken coming off when we did the spark plugs, but we did find one spark plug wire that we'll call broken. One of the plugs was just hand tight, so we went through, replaced all the good plugs, got new wires where we could get them in, ran a dedicated ground to the coil harness because it was ohming like, I don't know, 360 or something like that. And so we ran a dedicated negative all the way to the ground for the coil harness. She's pulling, she's not misfiring. We reset the ECU so it's still learning. Colin's accelerating and it's not backfiring and missing. Hey, it's a good day, but we are tremendously behind schedule now. We'll probably get into Moab to see it. I don't know about actually doing anything. I'm gonna have to go over our plan to figure out if we want to try to do Durango or something today or try to get there. I just don't know yet. Anyway, Heartland Homestead out. This is Colin being really happy because I'm letting him take the not so direct path to Moab. Moab's that way. We're just kind of messing around in gullies and dirt roads, and he gets to drive around a 4-wheel drive and do things a little faster than I want him to, but it's fine. Deer right outside that hotel room. Oh, he went away. That's too bad. Oh, there's. Good morning. Welcome to Heartland Homestead in Moab. It's a beautiful morning. We're up a little early because we wanted to beat the sun out. Colin has already started. He wants to get the front shocks replaced. I'm going to work on swapping in a 174 thermostat. It wasn't necessarily running hot, but it's going to be hot today and we're not going to be moving fast. Going to try to get the truck to cool down a little bit. Don't know if it's going to be beneficial or if it's actually going to hurt us in the long run, but that's what my old logic tells me. Had a lovely breakfast. Didn't want to show you that because it'd be kind of rude just having a camera there and me stuff in the face. But gonna pop these tires off, get the shocks out, and get the thermostat going. So this might be a montage, this might be a thing, but anyway, stick with us. We'll be right with you. there you have it. Sun just broke. Colin jumped in, got all the underneath done. I barely did anything. I'm not going to let him inflate his ego, but he's done, you know, probably 70% of the work on this. He's really just killing it. Couldn't be more proud of him. Definitely grown up to be the young man I want. But for the most part, we're all good. We got 10 gallons of water. We have drinks, we have snacks, we got a grilling pan, necessary tools. We didn't do the thermostat, but if we need to, we can maybe later. It's just going to drain the whole block if we do it. Don't really want to do that right now. It is a closed system. It's working. It's not leaking. I kind of like that. So the sun just crested. We're going to go clean up, pack up, check out, and then we're going to hit some dirt roads. Hopefully make it down to Four Corners today. End up in Durango tonight, and hopefully we'll have some adventures on the way. We'll be sure to bring you along, and maybe we'll do some long form film of the trails. Maybe see if we can get the truck going down some cliffs, you know, even though we can't really give you angles real well. But overall, Colin's doing well. He's thoroughly gross, so we're gonna go spray him off with a hose and then allow him to go back in the hotel. So anyway, Heartland Homestead, out. When you're about this far away, which is about 25 feet or so, the truck doesn't look that bad. A little bit of a rusty spot, but you know, overall okay. It's when you zoom in and you just look at it and you're just like, what did you buy? Yeah, well, let's just stay zoomed out. In fact, let's go wider. Hey, look, looks fantastic there, doesn't it? So we're in beautiful Moab. I think this is called Fins and Things. Colin is driving. This is his first time really doing any off-road of anything to speak of. Trying to learn brake and gas all at the same time with low range, and he's airing down some tires right now. We thought we had them aired down enough, and we're going to drop them to 20 now. I just don't want him to pop the bead because that could be a real pain with this truck. Anyway, he's running through. I'm going to try to take some good video, but it is just absolutely stunning out here. It's not too hot yet. It's about 86 degrees. Of course, there's no humidity, and we are having a blast. Trying to keep my calm because there's times where I'm like, brake, 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 and he's not braking fast enough for my liking. I need my wife's passenger brake pedal over here, and it's just not there for me. But we're gonna work through it. So we're gonna do this. We'll see how long we make it. Maybe the truck will hold up. So far, all the temperatures are great. Everything's running like it should, and yeah, we'll just rock and roll, man. Heartland Homestead, out. We have successfully conquered some of this. We're going through. Colin is doing his best to pick some good lines. We have the radiator, or the heater, on to act as another radiator on the truck. I just want to make sure she stays cool. But look at this view. It is fantastic. It's everything we want. So you have a choice, Colin. You can go the harder option or the easier option, left or right. We should be able to do both of them. Oh, there we go. Walk it up. Pick your line and walk it up. Go, Colin, go. You're good. Keep walking. Oh yeah. You're good. Go to your right. We're gonna go over there. Slow. Slow. Left, 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 left. All right. Easy, easy, easy. You're walking it through. Go slow. All right. Don't worry about them behind us right now. You worry about getting us around. All right, so you're either going to go far left or you're going to go far right. To the right. To the right. Hard right. You're fine. Just go slow. Real slow. 2-foot it. 2-foot it. You're coming down.
Hey, that's in that. Yeah, we don't got.
Turn right. You gotta listen to me. All right, go straight. Turn right. Slow and easy. A truck that is definitely not meant for this. Wait for me. All right, so you're gonna go to your right a bit. Just walk her down nice and slow. You got this. All right. Keep going. Slowly. Easy peasy. Good job.
All right, so we've made it into the Moab area and made it to the Fins and Things 4x4 trail. We should be about halfway done with the first section of it. Truck's a little bit toasty, just a wee little bit. But we got a good ways to go. Like if we look, we got this trail and then over there and then up to somewhere. I don't know where it goes. We got to get back onto the main trail and then that takes us to the rest of it. But truck's getting toasty, so we're taking a quick break, scout things out. But yeah, that's about it.
Nobody really wanted that Brad Paisley hat, so it's just been left here to rot. It's probably a good thing.
She's a beaut, Clark. She's a beaut.
Made a mistake, and now it's all bad. You could put the blame on me, but baby, can we run it back? You've been running through my mind, and you're still in my dream. Baby girl, life without you just ain't as good as it seems. But if you meet me down the road, would you stay or would you go? Oh, cause there's one thing that we know, people change and roses grow. Take my hand, take these.
So, Colin, what are you eating there, bub? Swiss cheese with beef? Yeah. So you gonna eat the whole bag of cheese? You gonna have the nasty poops later? Did you just fart on your cheese? Did you just fart on the cheese and make a roll-up out of it? Are you eating your fart right now? So currently, we're at Four Corners, and we're going to drive through 4 states so quickly we can break all the laws. Spanky's pretty pleased with himself. I'm pretty pleased with this whole trip. Is Bonneville salt still doing really well? We've only broke it a little, which, for as much as we abused this truck on, what was it? Spine and fins? Fins and spines?
Fins and something.
Spikes and
Fins
dips?
and something.
Anyway, the place that we went in Moab and just absolutely banged up every body panel on this truck. Kidding me, just banged up all the exhaust. All the exhaust got banged up. Anyway, that's still one piece for the most part. Pretty good. Our center console is not. That thing has died. But the truck is running well. It does say something about an O2 sensor problem. It's probably an upstream, and I think it's actually on the passenger side bank rather than the driver's side, but who knows. Anyway, this is our little update. We will be done for the day. We have an hour and a half or so to Durango, then we're gonna go check in, and we got a little one-nighter, $80 a night shack. It's gonna be great, enough for a shower. Everything's fantastic. So, say goodbye to the audience.
Adios.
Boy, that was awesome. Heartland Homestead, out.
Around 5 o'clock.
No, we'll be back around 6:15 tonight. Yeah. Yeah. 12:45. It's not on time.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I'm going that hard.
I don't have to look no further, 'cause I've reached my destination. I used to be lost, but now I'm found. As long as I know that you'll be around, I don't have to keep on searching. I'm right where I wanna be. I used to be so sad, now I'm glad I found something I never had, and I'm ready. Yeah, yeah. This time I'm going all in. Yes, I'm ready. Yeah, yeah. I'm ready for the good times to begin. Hey, I don't have to keep this burden, 'cause I found my salvation. I used to be blind, now I see. As long as I know that you'll stay with me, I don't have to look for a purpose, 'cause I'm right where I need to be. I used to be blue, and so are you.
Hey, this is Colin with Heartland Homestead. We just had a pretty long day and are now on the road. We got out of bed early this morning in Durango and went over to the railroad area, place thingamajigger, whatchamado, and
Train station is the word.
that thing. Took a steam train ride all the way up to Silverton, Colorado, which I'm a be a nerd with this a little bit. It's narrow gauge, which is what I do. So we were double heading a steam train up a narrow gauge path along a Rocky Mountain side with a river below us. It was awesome. Had a blast.
Colin, what were those engines? I mean, locomotives.
They're engines. They were K36s, right?
What's narrow gauge mean, Colin?
3-foot rail.
How is that different than regular?
Smaller. I don't actually know what regular is, because it's just regular. I don't do regular gauge. But yeah, we had a blast. Didn't record too terribly much of it, but we recorded some of the trip there. I think he might have got a little bit on the way back. Amazing time. Silverton was beautiful. Durango was awesome.
Over 9,000 feet up in Silverton.
Oh yeah, I think it was 9,153 or something feet of elevation above sea level. But yeah, the people running the train were amazing. Got to make some friends with them. Dude showed me the engine from where I was standing on the ground. It was awesome. Right. You got anything to say?
We're driving to Santa Fe. I'm driving, then I'll get tired, and I'll make Colin drive. We're going to stay at a free hotel tonight. Yeah, it's
Free.
Oh, and we're going to do a major modification to the truck tomorrow, but that's going to be a surprise.
Oh yeah, we are. It's gonna be awesome. All right, Heartland Homestead out.